Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the trade manager indicator for MT4. All right, so if you want to download the indicator, just check the link in the description below. It's going to lead you to the sites where you can get access to this web page. Okay, now as we can see, both the MT4 version and the MT5 version can be gotten from the MQL5 marketplace, right? This is for the MT5 version. Okay, now let's just use the MT4 version for our example. You just click on this download button, and as you can see, you will be asked if you have the MetaTrader 4 platform. Just click on that. Okay, open. All right, ensure that your MT4 is already opened before you do that. Okay, ensure that your MT4 platform is already running before you do that. All right, so once the indicator adds to our navigator, we're just going to drag and drop. Okay, so it has been added, the trade manager, so it's just gonna drag and drop. All right, so you can see that the indicator, or more like an expert advisor, you need to ensure that allow daily imports is checked. All right, and if you want to allow live trading, ensure that that is checked as well. You can see the input settings, close only symbol, true. Right, so you can see that this are the settings that you have to work with, right? If you want to execute a trade, of course, you can see long, these are the ask price, then this is for the volume. If you want the volume, or if you want the risk to be modified, or your gain, here you have money balance. So basically you just have to edit all these values, and then if you want to execute a trade, you can open buy. Of course, then you set all these values. If you want a partial take profit, you set the first partial take profit so that when it gets there, the expert advisor will close it for you, right? If you want 3 partial take profits, then you can see you just have to set the 3 different levels, right? You can see how many points. Then this is for auto break even. All right, if you want break even to be on, if you want auto break even to be on, you turn it on. If you want it to be off, you turn it off. And then you can see trailing stop. If you want trailing stop loss to be on, of course you turn that on as well. Okay, so this is how it works. You just have to fill in this information. This is not something that gives you buy or sell signals. All right, it doesn't give you buy or sell signal. As the name implies, it helps you to manage your trade. That is the function. Okay, but you still have to put in your manual efforts, right? You have to put in the the inputs here, right, before it can function. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.